subscribe the channel, tap the bell icon and select all to receive the message for every new video.
Ten signs of love. In a woman, girl. Sign number 1. Her face brightens whenever he shows up. Sign number 2. She blushes, subtly smiling whenever he stares at or talks to her. Sign number 3. She looks fixedly at him whenever he's inattentive. Sign number 4. She spruces her face, hair, hands, and feet up to see him in person. Sign number 5. She dons vivid dresses to catch his eye. Sign number 6. She prepares eatables and passes them on to him, even though he doesn't expect so. Sign number 7. Her face falls whenever he ignores her. Sign number 8. She's always jealous of the women, girls who talk to him. Sign number 9. She never forgets his birthdays, achievements, and sends him her love wishes before others do. Sign number 10. She innumerably writes his name or lines for him in her notebook. Ten signs of love. In a man, boy. Sign number 1. He seems fascinated whenever she shows up. Sign number 2. He turns his eyes to look at her over and over again whenever she's around. Sign number 3. He won't stop smiling despite being ignored by her. Sign number 4. He modifies his looks to dapperness to see her in person. Sign number 5. He lingers wherever she's around, yearning for getting in touch with her. Sign number 6. He is the first person to give her, without further ado, a helping hand if she faces a problem. Sign number 7. He always admires the eatables she has prepared, even if they aren't meant for him. Sign number 8. He never reveals her name to anyone with the intention of keeping her defamation at bay. Sign number 9. He is always ready to defend her against unwelcome people, things. Sign number 10. Making up his mind, he confesses his love, feelings to her. Mansur Afzal.
Thanks for watching.